Hindi naman ho lahat, no? Pero yung mga teka-teka na mga barel, ganun ba kadaling lumapit kay Saldico? Tingin ko hindi naman.
Sir, siguro last na lang, no, because the year is ending, 2026 is fast approaching. I know this might sound so vague and irrelevant, but how long is Zaldico planning to not go back to the country, aside from just like pahupain lahat ng threats sa life niya? How long will the Filipino people wait for his response on all the allegations?
Well, I'll try to respond as best I can, but
Sandali, mukhang hindi. Mukhang hindi na uuwi si Saldico. Mga bossing, bakit? Kasi ang tanong ng reporter, sa tingin niyo po kailan uuwi si Saldico hanggang humupa yung galit ng Pilipino? Tingin ko hindi huhupa ho mga bossing eh. So, yung galit ng Pilipino eh.
yung fear kasi is subjective eh. I can't tell him na don't be afraid. You know? In the same way that I can't tell you not to be afraid of something. If he fears, and again, I don't blame him. If he fears that there are threats to his life, I don't blame him, and I wouldn't recommend that he come home either under these circumstances. Where's Christina?
Sir, Tina po from GMA.
Hi, Tina.
Sir, you said kanina po that the the information are skewed against
Mahusay mag-ano tong ni Saldico, malaki bayad dito, malabang. Kasi nakikita ko yung post ni Jesus Palsis talagang dinidescribe niya itong mga ganitong lawyer daw kapag kinakailangan na ng talagang matindi ang pagtatanggol. Ito na daw ho yung mga kinukuha
former representative ko. What did you mean by that?
The narrative.
The narrative?
Yes.
What did you mean by that?
I'll give you an example. Ang daming nagtatanong, no? In fact, it's a very hot topic na yung corruption ng corruption in general, whether it's a budget or yung mga itong flood control projects, di ba? You have to
Kita na ng taong bayan yun, yung mga ghost project. Di ba? Ay hindi, wala palang nakitang project kaya ghost. Pero kita na yung mga ganun. Dawit yung mga SunWest Corporation, etc. etc.
understand that there is no such thing as generic corruption. In fact, there is no such thing as a generic crime. When you accuse someone of a crime, you have to indicate with precision the what, where, when, who, and how. Diba? You can't say that I killed someone. You have to tell me I killed Juan de la Cruz in San Juan on this.
Pero merong mga boss, meron talagang mga sinasabi na lugar na dawit yung mga SunWest na dating kinabibilangan ni Saldico. Tingin ko hindi nyo naman din pwedeng sabihin lang na kasi nag-divest na si Saldico dyan, wala na si Saldico. Kailangan pa ding investigahan yun kung totoo ba at kung talagang pwedeng sabihin na magda-divest na ako ganito pero ipapasa lang doon sa mga kamag-anak o ipapasa lang doon sa mga kakilala lang tas may kasulatan na siya pa din ang nagmamay-ari noon, di ba?
Date with a knife. Diba? So if you say corruption, may mga specific elements yan, and one indispensable element of corruption is there has to be damage to the government. Actual damage in the nature of civil actual damages. So if you say na may corruption, let's say yung 2025 budget, di ba naririnig ko yan? Ano yung damage to the government hindi nga implemented? What is the corruption? What is the extent? What is the precise damage to the government? That's a corruption na yun.
What about the previous years, sir? 2023, 2024?
Again, in line with my reason, with my thinking, you have to tell me what the accusation is. What's the accusation, Tina?
The flood control projects.
Which flood control project?
Talagang kailangan may ma-pinpoint ka. Alam nyo mga kababayan, ganyan din tayo. Kay Martin Romualdez, lagi pong sinasabi ng mga DDS na si Martin Romualdez ang pinaka talagang mastermind niyang mga ganyang gawain na ghost project etc. etc. Kinurap ni Martin Romualdez yung mga pondo ng bayan. Pero pag hinanapan niyo po alin nasaan kung ano yung ebidensya niyo, wala po sila ipapakita.
Listed several in the
Ebidensya No po?
Yeah, but
hearings.
you're asking me to answer a generic question. Yeah. Okay, Oriental Mindoro. Ano yung kwan?
Recommendation ng ICI.
Okay. Kasama ba si representative ko?
SunWest as well.
He's not SunWest. See, that's the thing.
Among.
Yes, if you look at his SALN, and I know this for a fact that
Yan nga ba sinasabi ko, yun yung sasabihin ni lawyer, no, ni attorney na, wala na siya, nakapag-divest na siya, hindi na siya kasama doon sa SunWest na yun. Di ba?
he divested from SunWest before he
Pero sir, no, may mga gumagawa ng mga ganyan na ang ginagawa is, idadivest ko para hindi mapagbintangan, hindi kung whatever, na sabihin conflict of interest, idadivest ko. Pero sa kamag-anak lang, sa mahal sa buhay, sa kumpare, sa kaibigan, o kung sino man Poncio Pilato, idadivest. Pero ang katotohanan ay may kasulatan behind that na kanya pa din yun at siya pa din ang nagmamay-ari nun. May mga gumagawa ng ganun, boss. Kaya kailangan maimbestigahan maigi. Meron pa ding connection. At yung connection sa SunWest, kung kanino niya dinaibest at kung paano dinaibest at kung whatever na pagkakadivest dyan. Diba?
became a congressman. Again, no, yan na nga yung skewed narrative eh. The person, the stockholder is not the corporation. If I own shares in federal land, doesn't mean I can stay in Grand Hyatt for free just because federal land owns Grand Hyatt. Diba? So, just because he's a member of a corporation, which he is not, SunWest, let's get that clear. Just because SunWest is accused of something, that doesn't filter down to the stockholders. Again, he's not a stockholder. I don't represent SunWest, so you should ask SunWest's lawyers. But let's get it right lang. If there's a wrong committed by a corporation, that wrong does not contaminate the stockholders.
Galing ng lawyer niya. Yan. Ewan ko ha, mga boss pa mo, sir. Posible, maaari, pwede namang mahatulan ng guilty si Saldico, pero posible pa din ho na dahil sa kakulangan ng ebidensya kung sakali, baka maging acquit din yun. Pero ipapagpaubaya na ho natin sa kanila yon. Kami naman ho mga vlogger na sumusuporta kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at nagbabalita po patungkol dito sa mga usaping politikal, inaabangan lang naman po natin yan doon sa mga mainstream media. Uy, may mayaman tayo na tagapanood dito si Sir Henry Nunez, no? Good morning, Mark, watching from Monaco. Shout out sa iyo, boss, no? Sana all nakatira sa Monaco. Anyway, mga boss, dumako tayo doon sa main topic natin. Ano po ba yung main topic natin? Nako, ganito daw kadami ang pupunta, Ganito daw po kadami pupunta, mga boss, chipa mo, sir, yung tinataya na rally ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Ayan. Ganito kadami, 1.4 million katao nag-attend ng Iglesia ni Cristo sa Luneta noon. Yung sinabi ninyo